How to use Signal app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Signal application on your device. Now simply tap on continue, then tap on next. Now give the permissions. Now enter your phone number, then tap on next. Then tap on OK. Now enter the verification code. Again wait for some time. Now fill up the details. Enter your name and tap on next. Now create a pin, then tap on next. Again repeat the pin and tap on next. Again wait for some time. Now once you complete the setup, to create a message, simply tap on the pencil icon. Now on this page you can find all of your contacts. If you want to search for them by their phone number, simply tap on the search bar and enter their phone number. Or if you want to add a story, simply tap on stories at the bottom right corner. Then tap on tap to add. Now select a photo or video. Then tap on next at the bottom right corner. Again tap on next. Now select my story. Now select the story privacy and tap on save. Then tap on next. If you want to make a call, simply tap on calls. Then tap on the plus icon and select the contact to make a call. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and the bell icon. See you in the next video.